everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a craft that I saw, I think I saw it originally on Pinterest. I'm going to leave the link below. I believe it's an American Girl Ideas video. And it is an American Girl ice cream truck. I don't think I'm going to make mine an ice cream truck. I'm thinking just food truck, but we'll see. So this is maybe a new series I'm going to start doing if you guys like it, if I like it, if it doesn't turn out terrible. I want to be rating these crafts that I find. But yeah, so we're going to get started by cutting out all the pieces. I have like 1/2 inch foam here, and I feel like this is going to take the longest amount of time. So I will get back to you when I'm all finished with that. So now we gotta cut out the windows. I have the plans on my phone here. So I just think I should kind of just wing that. Okay.
But you want to probably carry this dimension.
That feels too big.
Maybe this is an inch.
That looks more like an inch.
This is a centimeter.
I'm not sure if you can see our lines. So we're gonna cut these windows out and cut this guy out, and then we're gonna have to kind of make the exact same thing again. Oh, our ghosts are opening our cabinets. Hold on. Okay, we decided
a little bit taller.
We decided to make the truck a little bit longer so that we
this much.
So that we don't have to cut this whole thing across there. We do. We said to punch. He said punch it out, and I broke this part, but that's okay. We make this a Q&A. Can you name 3 of my American Girl dolls?
Yes.
Okay, which ones? Okay, just a little update because we've officially been doing this for 40 minutes.
Far too long.
And we're not even done cutting out. We've really only cut out 2 sides. So easeability with this one looking pretty low. It would be helpful if we had like 2.
A mom.
A mom.
To do it for us.
Yeah, maybe if we had a mom to do it for us. See it, how it is now. Oh, see, the thing is, Taylor, look, we forgot because we made it an inch bigger. Maybe we can put it up. We'll put the floor up.
Can we just cut it?
No, because there needs to be flooring.
We're doing too many modifications.
Okay, we got back from the store. Had a lot of coffee. Basically, we're out of these 2 paints, which I used for all the outside. She recommended craft paint. I would recommend that as well. This is giving off a very like textured look. Okay, something after there. But it's kind of cool. Okay, I think that this is craft paint. So this should work better. I think that's neon. So I think I'm gonna mix it in yellow, the little orange, and maybe a little white. So it's 8:15, we started at 5:30 minus the like 45 minutes. Probably closer to an hour because we got coffee too. So we've been doing this for like an hour and a half, but that's okay. Let's keep going. Good morning. So I worked on this food cart for about 5 hours yesterday, and I'll show you where we're at. We have a lot left to do, but it is looking like a food truck, so that is a plus. I'll show you what's going on. So here we go. In the inside we have our countertop. Everything's glued on. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the paint. It looks so streaky to me. Okay, I've also started this other little project. I'm making a little mosaic tile countertop for the outside of it. I hope it will stay up on its own. I might have to figure out some sort of support system there. So I'm not good at gluing at all, is what I learned from last night, but I think I am gonna try. This is the thing, this just doesn't seem like it really even needs to be glued, because if I put glue on this, I mean, how would I do that? I mean, that doesn't work. Oh no, my gosh, this isn't big enough. This isn't the right size. I think I'm gonna do it anyway and just put it there. It has a lot of openings, as you can see. Oh my gosh, it does not look very good on camera. I mean, it doesn't really look very good anyways. It looks like a little van. It does. Look at that. We are off the ground. We have tires. We have that. I'm a little worried. Like, I mean, when you're at a food truck. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well. I have the dishwasher going. I took a break, just glued that on. Now I'm going to paint the entire thing, all these edges and everything, and then I'm going to cover the whole thing in Mod Podge, just kind of give it a nice finish, and then it's time to decorate. Hi guys, okay, so it has been 3 days since I started this project, and I really love how it turned out. I'm going to show you all of the stuff I put inside. I don't think I'm done with it. I think I want to like add a stove, maybe figure out how to get a sink in there, because that just makes more sense. But overall it looks really cool. I put a couple decorations. I decided to name it Street Food Market. And I don't know if there really is like a street food market somewhere, but I like totally stole the whole design from Pinterest. So I just like looked up food truck like signs or something. So that is not my thing at all. I'm not gonna claim that it is, but yeah, I just filmed a whole video with it. Hopefully the video is up. If it's not, I'll link it below. So I'm gonna rate everything out of 10. And we're gonna go from there, I think. Price, I believe that it ended up costing me like close to like $80 for all of the materials. So for that, I'm gonna give it a 2, considering our generation one that it's like modeled after is pretty close to that price. If you wanna just skip all that, then you can just go buy one for a couple dollars more. So it was very expensive. I would give that the lowest score. Usability, it's super sturdy, super nice. I think it'll last a long time, so I'm gonna give that a good 8.
Hi, Miss Alexis.
Hello. I'm a rate usage, definitely super sturdy. I gave it an 8. For how hard it was to me. But I think I'm gonna give it a 5. I definitely couldn't do it by myself. It would have taken way longer. So overall, what are our points? We've got 2, 8, so we've got 15 out of 30. Oh, I didn't mean to rate it so low. I love it though. It was a tough one to start this series on. So 15 out of 30 though, I love it. I'm gonna use it a ton. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys have anything you want me to make, just shoot it in the comments and maybe I can add it to the list. I'm going to try to do a DIY every week. However, if they're all going to take this long, I don't know how many I can do. But I will see you in the next DIY video. See you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching.